ApriliaS Marco Bezzecchi and KTM Pedro Acosta finished F1 for the 2025 Italian MotoGP time at the top of the time sets at Mugello. Bezzecchi's superior next best time saw the Italian officially classified fastest, with Brad Binder just behind teammate Acosta and title leader Marc Marquez leading Ducati in fourth. Francesco Bagnaia, unbeaten at Mugello since 2021, set the early pace before countryman Bezzecchi and Yamaha's 2021 leader Fabio Quartararo moved ahead. Marc Marquez, who started the weekend with a 32 points title lead over younger brother Alex, then hit the front just after the midway stage of the 45 minutes, using a soft one tire versus the sacrifice part of Bezzecchi, Quartararo, and Bagnaia. Marquez seeking his first Mugello win since 2014 gave counter until Acosta had points and Binder soft moved into the first and second in the final minutes, following by Bezzecchi's Acosta matching 1 minute 46.19 and second last lap. Binder and T3 Maverick Vinales joined Enya Bastianini in running the mass damper system this morning, but Acosta appeared to continue without the sandbox. Meanwhile, Naya doubts he will be able to use the bigger 255mm brakes that helped his Aragon form due to the following flat layout this weekend. The Italian duly looked good to start the Mugello event on the standard 240 discs and run wide several times in the closing stage before raising his arm in frustration and pulling into the pits on his way to the edge. Bagnaia and PR46 Fabio Di Gitanio had reportedly homologated the new Ducati fairing, most recently since at the Aragon test. Marc Marquez still had both his bikes fitted with the original GP25 Aero, but with the latest chassis in F1. Under pressure at House Raider, Fernandez was the first follower of the weekend, suffering a fast accident at Arabiata 1 after just 10 minutes, damaging the Lexus RSPT part. Rookie teammate Aibura is returning to action after missing Aragon due to his Silverstone leg injury. His RC Camarini is again absent from the track but present as spectator to the multiple injury or testing supervised at Suzuka in Japan. Marini is replaced by Honda test rider Takaki Nakagami. Aprilia test rider Lorenzo Spadori is again replacing injured ranking world champion Jorge Martin at Aprilia. The all-time MotoGP top speed record of 127.5 mph or 266.1 km/h was set by Binder in the 2023 Mugello Sprint. The match by fellow KTM rider Paul Spargaro as a wild card during practice next year.
Il collettario è un po' di statistiche, dovrebbe essere la bomba dove si registra l'angolo di piega più elevato, quindi 300